Morning everyone, how are you? I hope you're really well. It's the 8th of December, it is. Do you want to join me for some Karen's Christmas crazy fun? See you the other side of the intro. Hit it, maestro! For me recording in the morning. It's night time, and why is it night time again, you ask? Because I've been baking a cake. I've baked a Christmas cake. I have. How did it go? I'm not going to tell you, because proof is in the eating, isn't it? So I don't really know, but I have recorded it as best I can. I have, and I'll put a card up here to the planning channel, and that's where I'll be putting me making a Christmas cake, which is just, yeah, I've not made one for 4 years. Yeah, so it'll be the first stage of me mixing all the cake and getting all that ready, and then we'll do the rest on another video. But yeah, if you're interested in that and interested in what recipe I use, please go and check me out on there, and yeah, you'll see that. So that's why it's night time. But without further ado, I have got my clapperboard. My little days are getting smaller, aren't they? So the 8th of December 2019, lights, camera, action! I'm waiting for Steven Spielberg to spot me, you know, that's what I'm really waiting for. Right, I have had lots of people ask me about my ears. Now on day 2 I did my designer ears, and I've got the card here from when I took these out of the packets, and the ears I'm wearing at the moment, and the ones I've wore for I think most of Vlogmas at the moment, are by Ever After by Patty, and her ears are fabulous. And I had the most, it was so wonderful. There was just suddenly a comment saying, oh my word, you're wearing my ears, and yeah, it really touched me, and they're amazing, and she's such a lovely lady. And yes, go and check them out. But I've got my up ears on, and I've got my, well, it's not really up jersey, but it's like in the colour theme of, isn't it? Because you'll see what we're going to open in a minute. So first of all, let's do our advent calendar. So number 8, where are you? There we go. And this, don't forget, is the only time in the video I'm quiet, is when I'm eating my chocolate. Are you doing it with me? Have you got your cup? I've got a cup of tea again today. So I've got, oh, I don't know what it is. I think it's a soldier, a drummer soldier. It looks like it. It looks like he's got a musical instrument around him. I could be completely wrong. It could be Mrs. Santa Claus, but that's who I think it is. And I can't look for much longer, can I? Because I don't know where he's gone. Nevada today. Oh, that tea went down the wrong way. Do you know one of my favourite things to do? And I can't do it at the moment because we haven't got a fireplace, because we had to take it out so we could have a bigger unit built for Phil's big telly. But on a cosy, you know when you got your fire on and you're sat in front of the fire, get a bar of chocolate and melt it in front of the fire and then lick it. See, all my secrets are coming out. I didn't tell you this last year, did I? We didn't know each other properly, so I couldn't share everything. Right. My Primark calendar. So then, day 8. What bauble have you got me for day 8? This is, well, this is just me, isn't it? This is what I think of me anyway. Glitz and glam, a nice gold Mickey bauble. These are just so beautiful. Yeah, love that. Another one for the tree, another one for Blake to find a home for. And then my cauldron crate advent calendar. So let's see if we can find number 8. They're all coming undone because I'm just rummaging around too much in this bag. Right, 25. 8! I couldn't find it. Oh dear me, Karen. You get worse, girl, you get worse. Right, so then. It's one of those little ring ones again. So do you think they got me a diamond ring this time, do you think? Yeah, no, I've not put any rum in my cup of tea. No, I haven't. Maybe it was from mixing all that boozy fruit with my Christmas cake. What do you think? So let's see what's in here. This is really cute. You know, I got the charm bracelet, so I think these are meant to go on them. So look, I've got a 9 3/4 little charms. I have got, I've got my own broomstick, like I needed my own broomstick. We all know I've got my own broomstick. I don't know quite what that's for. Maybe that's to prop it up, but it's definitely a broomstick. And what have I got? I've got a Quidditch ball. See, I'm getting better. I know the names, don't I? So I've got a Quidditch ball there. And then I've got the sorting hat. So it might not be diamonds, but I still think I've won. I think I've won the prize. So there you go, there's the sorting hat. Oh, that's fab. So little charms for the bracelet. Oh, that's really nice. That's really nice. I'm loving this. I'm really loving this calendar. And I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but it's different. Talking of tea, it's time to have another drink. Getting a bit dry with all the talking. I actually, in the house on my own, I don't talk all day. I talk in my head. I do. I only talk to you in the day. It's like... But it's Sunday and I've got Phil and Blake in there watching the Grinch on telly. It's not right, is it? So, what are we doing today? We are doing a Paradise Falls subscription box. Now, this is the second one I've opened. It doesn't mean it's the second one I've had. No, because I've opened one and there's 2 more at the corner, and I'm sure we're going to find one dating back to Easter. Maybe I exaggerate. I had November, so I had September, October, November. So it could be August, September, October or November's, because I've opened one and I've had 4 months and I missed the Christmas one, which I was a bit gutted about, but I should have made a note, shouldn't I? And that's why Paradise Falls, get it up, Paradise Falls, so that's why. Look at this in here. I like this. And this box is only, but it's £25. And for anyone in the UK, it's fabulous because it's not international shipping and you haven't got the cost of customs. So yeah, I love this. I think it works out just under 30 with the postage, but the box itself was 25. And in it, we've got a card. So we've got the Paradise Falls modelled with my ears, look. And on the back, it tells me all the shops that are in there. So we've got five things, so it's 4 shops and 1 thing from them. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Wow, okay. I can't believe I've been sat on this. And I can't believe I didn't get the Christmas one. I'm gutted. So we've got a Fangirl Pins, bigcartel.com. I have got the mirror. And it's a necklace. It's like a silver necklace. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, that's really lovely. Whether I'd wear that, I don't know, but it's elegant enough for anyone to wear, isn't it? I'm not going to undo it in case I put it in a giveaway, because we're getting close to time. I need to do another giveaway. They were all at the start of the year, weren't they? So I need to do some more of those. I've got Tokyo giveaways, all sorts I haven't done yet. Then, this is from, oh, who's this from? This is from Alice Vitram Apparel. And it's keyring. It's a Mickey fantasy keyring. Oh, isn't that lovely? And it's in gold. You can't see what I can see. Right, okay. So that's 2 so far. And I have got here, is that meant to be? I don't know what this is meant to be. This is from Blue Lemon Ink and it's a pen. and it's a dog, and it's like a Chinese dragon, that looks like to me. So I don't know what that is, but it's very pretty. Oh my word. Right, I'll get the big thing out last. I didn't get a box for Christmas. Can you? I can't believe I didn't get a box for Christmas. I am gutted. What does it do? I've got to put a battery in it. I have got a Bambi cassette, and I've got to put a battery in it. So if in doubt, you know what we do. You ready? Will you have heard? We might have to go full throttle. You ready? They could hear that in space because he's heard it. It's hurting him because he's got up quick. Can you put me a battery in that so I can see what it does? You alright? You enjoying the Grinch?
Very good, thank you.
So who else does that? Who else shells their husband? You ready for this? I can't believe this. This is phenomenal. I have got a sweatshirt that says Dream on it, and it's all of the characters. Look at that. So you've got Mickey, Donald, Daisy, Goofy, Minnie and Pluto. Dreams. Oh, isn't that fab? It's just a plain grey sweatshirt. It's big enough. It's big enough. Oh, I put weight on, don't go there, but we'll get it off in the new year. Yeah, I'm absolutely amazed by that. I can't believe I got that. And this is from Closet Geek. So www.closetgeek.co.uk, and I love that. Shall we wait and see what this cassette does? I can't wait to see what it does. He's coming, I can hear him. Is it good?
Just one second.
Oh, it just lights up.
What is it?
I don't know. I've got a disc that lights up. I don't really know what I'm going to do with the disc that lights up. I thought he'd play music. I was asking a lot, wasn't I? But he lights up, look. Oh, he did that for me. That's a bit of an anticlimax. Hope you enjoyed that. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves. If you haven't, please hit the subscribe button at the end of the video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Day 9 tomorrow. Where's the weeks and days going from? See you tomorrow, everyone. Bye for now. Bye.